I can't deny it, I can't just fake it. I only know how to pull myself apart.